scarring to be noticed? Any movement more than usual?
That's an excellent question. After the knee replacement surgery, within a year, you will feel as though you are a normal man. But having said that, the hip joint feels much more normal than the knee joint. Hip, they say that forgotten joint. That means they won't even realize that you got an artificial hip. But in the knee, always you feel that there is something different. Only that mindset. But otherwise, movements-wise, you are like a normal human being. You can do everything. And scar, nowadays you can give a very scarless surgery. Nowadays, the surgeries have come without sutures.
True.
The glue is there. You can go surgical glue, and then that's it. There are no sutures, no scar at all.
True.
So your knee joint can be as beautiful as you. So no issues about that. And you can do everything. After the surgery, a lot of people ask what all I can do, what all I can't do. You can do everything except sitting in the Indian toilets. That is an extreme squatting position.
Right.
But also in oriental countries like our neighbor China, Korea, a lot of people after the knee replacement, they squat like that and do the religious things. No issues. But general consensus is squatting will increase the load on the plastic. The joint will last lesser time than the normal.
Okay.
So that's why you got to keep it careful.
Okay, so do you think prayers sometimes get a little affected?
Probably, but in the now high flex knees have come, even in Indian context, on the day of your puja or on the day of the festivals, you can sit cross-legged and puja to God.
And it's still okay?
Yeah, no
there
problem.
we go. Okay.
Yeah.